Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, today the stock market was up a fair amount. The S&P 500 closed close to up 2% on the day. Why? Well, because the economy is not doing great, is basically the main takeaway. We definitely go through these periods, and we've talked about these in some videos in the past, where bad news is good news and vice versa. And when the Beige Book came out today, it said that the market was a little bit weaker, expected to be a little bit weaker going forward. And the market loves that. Why? Because, well, it kind of doesn't make any sense, but the rationale is that that means maybe the Fed won't raise interest rates quite as fast, which, when you think about the long-term view of that, is a little bit silly. But we have to trade what we see and not what we think, right? So that said, what else are we seeing? Well, today in the market, we had most of the sectors in the market were up today. We had the utilities up over 3% today, and we can look here at the Select Sector Spider Trust, which is the utilities, SBI Utilities ETF, whatever the full name is. XLU is what it is. And man, oh alive, look at that, up over 3% today, busted through the 20-day moving average, which often has a lot of follow-through when that's violated. We also have the consumer discretionaries had a really bomb day too here. So XLY, and maybe not, it doesn't look quite as strong on the chart, but it is. That one was up about 3% as well today. And that one is closing decisively above the 50-day moving average, which typically is a pivot point. So maybe we'll get some follow through that. Now, the one that really didn't work too well today was the energy sector, and that is XLE. And in the energy sector, a lot of what is held in the energy sector is oil, which was down a little bit today. And we can see that if we pull up the indexes here, crude was down $4.74 when I'm shooting this video a couple minutes before the close. And so despite the fact that some of the renewable energy stocks had some pretty good days today, in particular SPWR, which, well, let's just take a quick look at that. SPWR, which was up almost 14%, just a teeny little pullback from the high. We'll see. Tomorrow will be a pretty key day in there to see if it continues up, which would be a violation of resistance, which would indicate that that would probably have some follow through, or if resistance holds and it has a pullback tomorrow. So the renewables had a good day. But the actual XLE, which again is much more fossil fuel heavy, that it looks like it's going to close down right around 1% on the day. So that's the goings-ons, that's the happenings, that's all the stuff that you need to know for this broad overview. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.